What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over this Toovren wallet case for my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max, as you see here. Boom, boom. Yeah, we're going to be going over this guy, so stick around so we can see what this bad boy looks like on this sexy phone. So moving straight forward into the unboxing, let's go ahead and get this out of this package right here. It's in just a standard cardboard packaging. All right, and we have the case here. I'm gonna move this box out the way. Inside the package here, we have a lanyard that you can use on the case. We'll get into that in a little bit. And we have the case itself. Let's get a nice close up on this. Look at it from all angles. All right, so at first glance, it has a nice feel to it, if I do say so myself. You have a little slot here where you can put your cards and whatnot inside of there, and this is where the lanyard connects to. But overall, the case, I like the way the case looks aesthetically. Let's go ahead and get the phone in there and see how the phone fits inside of the case. So I'm gonna slide it in from the bottom first. I don't think it really matters, but that's just a technique that I normally use to install my cases. All right, so it slid right in. As you can see from the front, everything fits nice and snug. Let's give you a look from all angles one more time here. Fits nice and snug. At the bottom, we do have opening spots for your charging port, of course. We also have a slot for the two speakers. Let's make sure that the buttons work. Let's go ahead and press the volume button here. The volume up and down buttons work. You can easily access the mute switch here. On and off, easily accessible. And the power off button also works, as you see there. So all buttons work functionally. On the back here, I really do like this. You can adjust this little strap to make this into like a little stand. So right now, it's not a stand, as you can see, but if you simply snap this, move it to the bottom button here, it pops out, and then you have a little stand. Pretty nice. It's a nice incorporation in the case. I really like that because a lot of cases do not have this functionality, and I like the way they did this. I've never seen a case with this type of stand. It's really neat. It's different. I really like that. And then also, when you put your cards in there, let me get my cards in. And then also, when you put your cards inside of the wallet, as you can see, you can't put them in like this. You have to undo the strap and then slide your cards in like so. This is how they look inside of the case. And then you simply snap it in. As you can see, I can't even move it up hardly at all. All right, but you can simply unsnap the case and you can easily move your cards up like so. If you snap it back in, I just want to show you here, this card will not come out. So that's really a nice functionality of this strap here. Really like that. But if you hold it to snap like so, then you can pull your cards right out. And then also, as I said before, you have your little lanyard here. Let me go ahead and get this little plastic cover off here so I can get it out. Okay, now I got that little cover off. And you have your lanyard. You can snap that to the bottom here, like so. And then you can wear it around your neck, put it around your arm. I mean, you can pretty much do whatever you want to at this point with the lanyard. You can also move the snap down here, then attach it to like your wrist, your neck, or wherever you want to put it at. It's really nice. That way, if you want to wrap it around, I mean, I don't know, your bag or your neck or anything you want to put this thing around, you can easily do that with this little attachment here. So this is just a nice little feature if you're, say, out and about at a beach or something like that. You don't want to have the phone in your pocket, but you're not going to real deep water. You can put this around your neck, and you can still take your phone out with you. That's a real nice addition to have along with the case. So I really do like the fact that they included this as an option. Me, myself, personally, I probably won't be using this a whole lot. Like I said, unless I do myself go to a beach or something of that nature, amusement park, where I might not want to have the phone in my pocket, then I will use this. But on a day-to-day basis, I probably won't be using the lanyard. I'll just be using the case as is. But all in all, I really do like this case. As you can see here, I'm gonna get a little closer. You see the little lens color here? It kind of goes together with this little this brownish looking color here. So I really like that aesthetically, how it kind of goes with that on the phone. And the phone, like I said, just hold it by the strap here. Let me undo one of these. I'm gonna hold it by the strap, and I just want to let you see how snug the phone is actually inside the case. As you can see, the phone's not going anywhere. That snap is really tough too. And then also you can use this snap as a little holder for your hand, as you see here. So it can allow you to hold the phone a little bit better in your hand, have a little bit more control while you're typing on the phone or what have you. Or if you just simply, I don't know, if you're out running and you have this in your hand, instead of having it in your pocket, you can easily hold your phone like this in your hand, and it's not uncomfortable. You can jog or what have you with this and not have to worry about your phone, you know, falling down and getting damaged. So I really like that. I'm not going to do a drop test with this because I don't do that with any of my cases, but it does, just from the look here, you can see the little beveled edge. That's all I need to know. If it has that little beveled edge and it falls face down onto concrete or hardwood floor or any type of hard surface, this little beveled edge is going to protect the screen itself from being damaged. The same thing with the back here. You see it has the raised edge around the lens right here. So if you drop this face down, you don't have to worry about your camera lenses getting damaged as well. So like I said, all in all, I really do like this case. Functionally, it's going to work great for me as I do travel a lot, and to be able to put my business cards and whatnot inside of this, instead of having to put my business cards in my wallet, that's going to really help me while I'm out in the field and out and about. So I'm really going to enjoy just mainly this feature, to be honest with you, this being as a secondary wallet and what have you. So anyways, guys, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and go down and subscribe if you have not done so already. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.